Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, it's just a tips and health benefit. Just ideas and tips and health benefit. Anyway, a quick update from Chef Ricardo and the team. We are, we are trying our best to get recipe which can fill the gap for a lot of people who are talking keep asking me about losing weight and want to be healthy. We are working on some recipe which gonna be filling those gap, so please bear with us. But anyway, it's just a quick update and some tips and idea which you can do at home. In the meantime, like a few days ago, I made a green smoothie, and a smoothie you can have that in the morning you can have it in the morning if you're gonna have like a breakfast which like fruits and banana, and you can drink a green smoothie which is really healthy and good for you. So guys, there are so many things which you can do in the morning to balance your breakfast and to have a nice lovely diet in the morning. We speak about almond, which is really good for you. We say that you can drink the almond water, and you can also eat the almond and eat some fruits, or you can eat like apple or banana. Banana is good for your immune system, and banana have a lot of vitamin in it. You can drink like a ginger tea in the morning. You can eat like different stuff in the morning for breakfast. It don't have to be like one empty breakfast, or you can eat like, you can drink some nice lovely green smoothie, a smoothie in the morning, and eat some fruits, eat an apple, eat some almond. And as I said before, almond do have a lot of stuff inside of it. It's good for your benefit. And also, you remember I said to you about ginger, lemon, mint, and cucumber have a lot of things in there. Guys, if you want to lose weight, if you want to be healthy, is you have to take care of yourself. If you say in the morning, I'm going to be eating almond, apple, ripe banana, and drink a green smoothie, that's for my breakfast. Lunchtime, you can have a nice lovely healthy salad, and also dinner time, you can have a roasted vegetable for dinner. So guys, just look at the ideas, and a lot of my fans and keep saying to me, Chef Ricardo, give us more recipe about healthy eating, losing weight, and a lot of people just want to take care of themselves, because they know that taking care of yourself is one of the best way you could ever think of in this whole right. This is just a tip about health and benefit from Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. As I said before, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook like page, and also we have a lot more recipe and ideas coming out. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.